Hi there, Scott here. You made a video, but you want to hide some of your personal information? Here's how. I made this video to show people how to back up their computers, and there are areas that have my email address, and I don't want those to be seen. So under here, you can see in the video that I have a few blur clips, and that's where my information is being hidden. Right here and right here. Okay. Well, obviously I'm not going to uncloak these for this demonstration, so let's find something else to blur out. Let's back up and we'll use this dialog box here. Let's say this dialog box is actually asking for log information. As I type, I wouldn't want my viewers to see a password or a username. Here in the Annotations tab, we have several choices of items that we can cover what we want. For example, there are text boxes. There are regular boxes. We could just draw over the shape over the box. But here I'm going to use the Blur and Highlight tab. Here we have Blur, Spotlight, Highlight, and Pixelate. Which one do you prefer? Leave a comment in the comments down below. Let's start with Blur. You can either drag this down to the timeline, or you could right-click and add to timeline at Playhead. Let's do that. Here it is right there. Okay. Now that it's here, we can adjust its size and shape by grabbing these resizing handles. Okay, so we'll grab this resizing handle and try and narrow in our place. Did you know that you can zoom in using the scroll wheel on your mouse? Here we go. We'll make some adjustments. Now that we have that there, let's click here to fit our canvas to the window. Okay. Let's play the player head and see if we've covered everything. Let's back up a little bit. We'll play into it. Okay, I have to adjust where the blur starts. Let's back up our playhead just the beginning. There we go. Back up the blur to the playhead. Now we'll play that again. Alright, it's not quite long enough. So let's see where to stop. I'm going to press the space bar to stop. There we go. I press the space bar to stop the playing. I'm going to grab the right side of our blur and stretch it out. Now we'll do that again. And the start looks like it works. And the end. Okay. Let's try that again with the Pixelate version. Go up and grab Pixelate, move it right above the other one, and I'll make it the same length. I'll take a look at how that looks, and you'll see how this whole Pixelate thing is here. Now, instead of having to resize it using the handles here, I'm going to show you a shortcut. I'm going to right-click on the blur clip, I'm going to copy properties, and then right-click on the Pixelate clip and paste properties. And look at that. It's the right size. Perfect. Let's zoom in on that. And let's play with some of the annotations settings. We have Spotlight and Pixelate here. We've got the annotation settings. Before I do that, I need to delete the blur one. There we go. That's gone. Now we select the annotation one. And look at this intensity slider here. If I go all the way to the left, it just stops. It actually has tiny pixelations in there. But if I move it to the right, it makes it so we can't read it anymore. So I'll put it right about there. Okay, let's back up and play that and see what that looks like. Perfect. Love it. For more on using Camtasia, be sure to like and subscribe. You know the deal. Thanks for visiting Scott's Tech Tips. Have a good day.